done. And where are we today?
Candle.
We're in the kitchen. So the reason why we're in the kitchen because we need to boil the wax. Okay, so you've got two moulds, you've got the wax and you've got the wicks in there as well. Yeah? With a grown up, we're going to melt the wax. So we've got a jug and we've got a few inches of water in there. We're going to take this out, pour some in there, boil it a little bit, make it hot, and then we're going to pour it into one of these. So we'll be back in a second to do that. So we're going to pour, that's all in there. We've added a rose smelling scent as well. And we're going to melt that down. Yeah. And then we're going to put it into the mould. Okay? Are you having fun? So the wax is now all melted. Yeah. And what we're going to do is we're going to get this ready. With the spray it into the mould. Now get the wick. Yeah. With the wick, Savannah, put that metal bit in the bottom bit, like that. So in there like that. Okay, so with the two sticks, we need to hold the wick up. Right, so grown up is going to get the melted wax and they're going to pour it in. And we're going to leave that much as a gap. So this is left over. We're going to let this melt. We're going to let this cool down. And then when it's cooled down, we're going to put the rest of the wax on. Okay? So that will take about 2 hours. Right, so the leftover wax, put glitter into the wax for me. Yep. So Savannah, with this wax, pour it on top of here. So you're going to take the candle mould out now, yeah?
Yeah.
So tip it upside down. Careful. Oh, well done. So you can see.
Oh my goodness! It's adorable. It's so